scared, or you don't want to make a fool of yourself, you don't want to fall, these are some reasons why people don't want to get on a bicycle. We have an instructor here to give us some tips to make bicycle riding more fun and safe and build your confidence in getting on that bicycle.
Stop it! No!
I said ride!
No,
Ride!
Tell your mother!
What? That you're riding a bike?
No, that you're... Yes! I'm driving the bike!
Woo!
Now you always want to approach a bike to get on from the left, just because the grease is on this side. When you're getting on and off a bike, grab the brakes, one side or the other. This is the brake lever. So grab that and then put your leg over and sit down. And the reason for that is that the bike doesn't roll away from you and you feel confident. So if you sit fully on the bike, relax yourself like you're sitting on an office chair. Do you feel confident there that you can touch the ground? Okay, so that's where we start. Everything you can do to make yourself more confident that you're in control of the bike means you're a safer rider. The first move we call lizard. Now, I do that with the kids and I do that with the adults. And the lizard is just kind of getting to know the bike, and we're gonna go one step at a time, just feeling what the bike feels like. Now, where your eyes go, the bike goes. So you wanna be looking up in the trees there. Okay, so I would like you to move like a lizard, sit fully on the seat as if it's like an office chair. There you go, and keep your eyes up. Excellent. All right, you got it? We can move on to the next step. The next step is what we call the bunny rabbit. Now, when a bunny rabbit moves, their back feet move at the same time. So now I want you to propel the bike using both feet at one time. Okay, good. Keep your eyes up. Excellent. Okay, so if you will squeeze the brakes and step off the bike and put the kickstand down. All right, what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you a pedal. You have earned a pedal. Woohoo! We're going to create the same movement forward we did with your feet, but now you get a pedal to propel you, because when you're learning to ride, momentum and speed is your friend. Okay, so very important. This is probably the most important thing you'll learn today for riding. You want to line your pedal up about parallel with this tube. Every bike has a tube they call the down tube, and you'll always want to line up with that, because what that does is it puts your power foot in the best position possible to get you going quickly. And that's important when you're learning to ride, but it's also important when you are riding, because if you're at a stop sign or someplace that you need to move quickly, you've always gone back to that position to be able to do that. Sometimes I've taught people who've been riding 20, 30 years, and they come back and say learning that on one of our rides has again been life-changing. And sometimes they tell me about situations they've gotten themselves out of. So I had no idea until I started teaching this. What I'm doing is I'm using my toe to lift the pedal, and I put my foot on that. This is called power pedal. So what we're doing here is we're pushing down as hard as we can, and then do exactly what you were doing over there, and that's just ride the balance. Just like that. Correct. Correct. Push hard. Eyes up.
Am I doing it right?
Power pedal. So you want to push as hard as you can with your right foot, and just let the left foot just kind of hang above the ground. And the minute you have to put that left foot down, just squeeze the brakes and stop. Eyes up. That's it. We're going to put the other pedal on. What you need to know is nothing has changed about this bike. You are still the engine that will make the bike move. You have plenty of time, because you have such good balance that you're showing, to get that left foot up on the pedal. When your right foot is down, that left pedal is right under your foot. So when you feel it, push forward and just keep pushing forward. Okay? All right, squeeze the brakes. Get on the bike. All right. Is the power pedal where you want it? Okay, and your eyes are up. And when you feel that left pedal up underneath your flamingo foot, just keep pushing forward, rotating. Go, 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 go. Pedal, 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 pedal. You got it. You've got it.
Yay, you're riding that bike.
You're doing it, son!
Bicycling can take you through natural beauty, hidden gems, and places that you thought never existed. So we hope this will empower more of you to ride a bicycle. So if you like this, we have more entertaining videos and easy tours for beginners. So click here. Zap that button and subscribe to our channel. Hope to see you riding.